In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can generate a form with AI. This is one of the easiest ways to get started with our forms. So we're on the new form page, and as you can see, we have two options, and for this we're going to choose generate. Once we click generate, we have our AI bot Gary, and we're going to ask him to create a form for us. So for this, we're going to ask for a business culture survey. Then we click generate and we let Gary do the lifting. And as you can see, within seconds, we have our business culture survey ready. So everything's been entered in for us. And if we scroll down, we can see all the different questions, all the different possible answers. The whole form is completed for us. And if you're happy with this, you could just publish this and use as is, and that would be a form done. But you can also edit this form to your needs. So let's take a look at how we can edit. For this question here, we have how satisfied are you with the leadership team ? And we have our various different choices. Now if we wanted to, we could change one of our options. Let's change this one to extremely dissatisfied. And we can move these up and down using the up and down buttons. And we can also delete our choice if we'd like. So there you go, we've deleted two options. And if we wanted to add a new choice, we could do that. So let's add a new choice and we'll click and type very satisfied. And we'll add another one, very dissatisfied. And again, we can move these up to where we'd like them in our options. We can also move our question up and down in the blocks, duplicate, change the block, edit the block, or delete the block completely. So if we click on edit the block, we have different rules that we can enforce into the block. We can make this required, so that it has to be answered. We can have a valid email address that we need to put in if we need to, and we can customize and add any help text just explaining how to answer the question. We can apply our edits, and this will all update automatically. If we did want to completely delete the block, we can do that just by clicking the delete button. We can also click to revert back to our published version of the form, which will undo any changes that we may have made. Now, if we wanted to have a new block, we can add a new block. And as you can see, we have various different options to choose from. For this example, I'm going to click on short text. And then we can add in a question. So let's add in, how would you describe the current work culture ? And then that will enable us to ask just a question with a short text answer. Once you're happy with your form and the edits you've made, you can click publish. You also have access control along the top as well. Pages, so you can add an introduction page just by clicking on this. introduction page, and let's put in welcome to our business culture survey. Again, on the Pages tab, you can also add a thanks page. So we'll just put in nice and easy, thank you for completing our form. Save. You can also click add to add a new question or content block to the end of your form. And then you can go back to our dashboard where you'll find our form. Currently this is untitled, so we have other options that you can do. For example, we can change the form name, so let's change it to Business Culture Survey. And you have various different other options along the side here as well. Now if you click back to all forms, you will see our business culture survey, you'll see when it was last modified and all the details. And then if you go back to your dashboard, this is where you'll see any metrics and forms and just a general overview of what we have. So there you go, that was creating a form in quick form with our AI generator, Gary. Keep watching and we'll see you on the next one.